All right, we are on air. It is January 26th. So apparently Gitter is having some problems today, so we're starting a little bit late, but we're thinking maybe people might not come because they might not know we're having a meeting. But today's meeting, this meeting is to talk about Backdrop outreach, community outreach for Backdrop. And our primary agenda item for today is to review the newsletter that's going to be sent out about Backdrop 1.6, our release that came out on January 15th. So I am going to do a screen share. How did we do this last time? To open that document in this browser. I'll learn eventually. Screen.
Hey, there we go.
All right, and then here is the document we're reviewing. Can you guys see that one too, or are you still looking at the other one?
Yep, it's looking good. Is this the one Tom put together? Is that who wrote this?
No, this is Facet Interactive wrote this.
Oh, awesome. Uh-oh. Now you're asking for it. Are you still there, Jen? I was afraid of that. It seems that our illustrious leader has logged out of her account. Hang on. I totally saw that one coming right as it was happening.
I heard you say, uh-oh. and then everything crashed, and I was like, yep, that's right. Uh-oh is definitely correct.
Yeah, I'm surprised you could...
I have all these different Google accounts, and I can't edit the document and view the document at the same time. So, Nate, you're going to have to edit the document. Here we go again. Let's try it.
Sure.
All right. I'm going to share this tab, which is this window. Start. Okay. I'm going to click this link, and you can see this new one, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so this is the newsletter that's going out for Backdrop 1.6. We're making some changes. We had a marketing team, Facet Interactive, write it up for us. It reads a little bit like a marketing team wrote it, but I think that we can fix it up pretty quickly. So I'm pretty excited about it. All right, so we decided we like all the headings. We think it looks good. Is there a view? Well, Google Docs has some way that you can view the outline, but I don't know how to do it in this. Anyway, we like all the headlines. We like the button style they created for us. Looks pretty cute. We're going through the newsletter right now, trying to figure out if, I mean, there's some stuff in here that's like technically not accurate, but we can update that pretty soon. I think the general idea of reviewing this is just to make sure that the intent and the voice is correct. So,
Do you think the order of these things that like things are in the right order? I actually kind of think that they're fine because it's like start with something important like file management, you know, and then finish strong as well. And so the stuff in the middle here is kind of like full bleed hero is like, well, is that really the second best thing? Well, no, but you know, at least it kind of finishes in kind of a more exciting way.
yeah, I feel like maybe we should swap the hamburger menu, which is really important,
Yeah.
with the full bleed hero layout that isn't really important.
Yeah.
Just so that we don't bore people right away.
Yeah. Okay. I'll switch those around right now, actually. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and then finishing custom view modes. Entity view mode module decor.
Not quite.
Yeah, I kind of think, yeah, like just saying we added the module decor kind of understates
Understates.
the, yeah, the ability. Let's see. Should I rewrite this sentence, do you think, or should I just leave a
Yeah.
comment?
No,
Okay.
you should rewrite it because they're not going to know.
Okay.
What,
Let's see. Let's see. I don't really want to say all entities, you know? Types of entities. Uh,
I think this looks really good. How do you feel about putting the books available from A Press in there? You think that is a good addition?
I think so. I think it still helps. It adds legitimacy, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. So I was like, that seems a little bit. Here.
Okay, so just to go over this out loud, the intro says we've added a new file management interface, a new interface for managing different displays of content, different content displays, a mobile-friendly hamburger menu, browser-based spell check, and an updated full bleed hero block, and more.
Sure.
Try it, release notes are the 2 calls to action. Check out what's new in Backdrop file management system. We added a completely new way to find and manage any file uploaded to your site. Find all the places a file has been used in seconds. Now editors can manage uploaded files easily.
Can archive? Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, that was a word they put in there, but I don't think they just didn't know what that meant.
Yeah, mind if we just, I'm not sure about this create power line. I'm just thinking about deleting it.
Yeah, I want them to see the note, though, that we don't like that, so that when they write the next newsletter, they know not to do it again.
Okay. Although, yeah, if we just stick to the facts, it can get a little dry. I totally see what they're
After.
Yeah, what they're after. That making it read a little bit more personal makes it, although I'm not sure that actually is a personal touch, but
It just makes it nerdier.
There's not too much wrong with that, though.
Well, I'm not sure that's the target audience we're after. This isn't the Drupal community. This is the Backdrop community. We want people that are less nerdy to be involved here, too. And I don't want them to be turned off by that.
I'm pretty sure quoting Spider-Man or any number of comics won't actually lose this audience, but
yeah, I don't know.
It's fine. I totally agree, though. It's a little too much.
It's a little bit much. Okay. Then we have a picture of the file management system, mobile-friendly hamburger menu. We got excited about the new menu drop-downs introduced in 1.5 and took them a step further. Menus now have the option to automatically collapse down to something a little more mobile-friendly. So that menus now have the option. How about menus can, just to make it a little less verbose. Menus can now automatically collapse to something a little more mobile friendly.
Sure.
Okay. Full bleed hero layout, full bleed hero block. You can now make your big fancy splash images bigger and splashier with new template files. I don't think that's important. With a hero block that spans the entire width of the page.
Sure. What's actually funny is we fixed this in 1.5, but it came out the same time as 1.6, so.
Yeah. Custom view modes. You're no longer limited to out-of-the-box view modes like teaser and full page. Backdrop 1.6 now lets you create your view modes whenever you want them.
Own view modes.
Your own view modes wherever you need them. It's okay if I split that into 2 sentences.
Sure. Should we list examples there or just?
No, I think most people aren't going to care about view modes.
Yeah, okay. That's a good point. Rather than trying to explain it further, just state it and then move on.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Browser spell check. Browser based.
Actually, maybe we should just nix the whole browser based thing. Just say, spell check returns or something like that. I guess spell check was never really gone. Well, I don't know. I guess it was gone because from the time that we added CK Editor to now, right? Because previously, prior to CK Editor, the spell check was there. So I guess saying it's back is fine. Spell check your posts. That seems a little bit silly.
I also don't want to say CK editor anymore. We don't have to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because most people aren't going to care what editor it is. Like that's not going to have any meaning. We could say in the editor.
Yeah.
Editor spell check your posts.
I don't know. I think let's add in returns, even though it sounds a little bit silly.
Okay. Right-clicking a misspelled word in the editor used to give you only copy paste options. Now your browser will drive spell check options to offer the correct spelling.
Woo.
How about now your browser can offer the correct spelling? Can help.
I don't know. Used to give you copy paste options. I was thinking about saying about something that the editor had hijacked the right click or something like that, or something. But I'm not sure that we should say.
We should highlight what was wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe we just say right-clicking a misspelled word in editor now offers spelling suggestions or something. And I like the no more spelling anxiety few part. I think we can do that. That's cute.
Oops.
Oops.
Oh, I see. I see. We've a browser. Okay, sure.
And more.
Yep.
In 1.6, we've also included the latest versions of CK Editor and Normalize. More than a dozen user experience improvements.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Lots of bug fixes and some API improvements for developers too. If you'd like to see the full list of updates, check out the release notes. Do you think our release notes?
No, the release notes is better actually.
I already changed that back and forth several times. All right, books for further reading. There are 2 books available on Backdrop CMS written by Todd Tomlinson, the author of Pro Drupal Development, Beginning Backdrop and Migrating from Drupal to Backdrop. Also available from MainPress.
Okay, are these Amazon? Yeah, they're Amazon links. Okay. Okay, cool.
I think it's cute. I think it looks good.
Yep, totally agree. All right. Anything else for today's outreach meeting?
So we are working on a couple of other things. This is the most pressing. We have a new blog post that just came out about our latest release. I don't want to publish another blog post until the newsletter goes out, just so that it looks like all of our current news is on the same topic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We don't have any events until Sand Camp. Website is the next big action item. We have, we're trying to design a new homepage. The new homepage also is going to include a new responsive drop-down navigation bit, which kind of affects a whole bunch of other parts of the site. Some other pages needed to be reworked to handle that. And so Wes started building a site out with a new theme that's a sub-theme of Basis, but too much of the branding from Basis got mixed in instead of retaining the branding from Backdrop itself. And so I did some work on that last week to kind of clean that up a little bit. Wes is now busy on a bunch of other projects, so he's not going to have a lot of time to commit to working on Backdrop over the next month. So we should try and figure out our path forward on that. But I think we're unblocked on the design front. We got a new homepage hero image from Nika last week that Wes and I both looked at and really liked. So I think we just need like implementing. We're kind of ready to go, but I know that that can't be on Wes's plate. So I don't know. I think we should talk about it in the main meeting today and see if we have anyone else who wants to dive in on that.
Okay.
And then that's all I have. I know I have a to-do item to order new hoodies for Backdrop. Maybe I can make that call today and get those moving because that's been a while under swag.
Okay. Yeah, that would be fantastic. I know that at least one person's been waiting for a hoodie for quite a while.
Okay. I'll do that.
Yep. Great. Well, that sounds good. Not a whole lot new this week as far as outreach goes, but yeah, let's keep this nice and short, and we'll meet up again here in 20 minutes for the regular developer meeting.
All right.
Okay. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Sorry about all the technical problems. Hopefully our chat will be restored today, and Hangouts will give us no further issues, and everything will be wonderful in the world.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye.